You also know YouTube. This is Do Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. Right now, let's do the unboxing. What we got here? Yes. This time, no chemie, no chemies, nothing like that. Just a WMAG Professional Barber Series. And here, it's rating 6,900 RPM. This one, I don't know. I don't think so. But let's see. And 2,200 milliamp. It's not bad, right? But I'm really curious about this 6,900 RPM, WMAG. The model number is NG108AB. NG108AB. Alright. 120 minutes charging and 180 run time, You can use it cord or cordless, Adjustable blade, it's always rating. So let's pop it up. Okay. So we got a charging cable. It's not a USB charging, So see that? Ceramic blade, I guess 4 guards, and the lever. Just little brush. So you see that? It's a transparent. I've been searching on YouTube, about this clipper. I didn't see anyone with English unboxing. I guess I'm gonna be the first one to unbox this clipper in English. So this thing got power. It's still hard. It's hard. Okay, let's lose it a little bit. It's too loose. Yeah, I don't really like the way it's moving. Well, I don't like this type of lever, like the click lever, Well, maybe need some oil, See that? Okay. So let's turn it on. But first, need to remove this duct tape. Okay. Let's turn it on. It's not bad. Somehow I feel this is like a Kemi 2600, something like that, you know, because of this thing, you know. It's not bad, you know, but it's lightweight, you know, because it's plastic. So huh, it's heavy, huh? Okay, it's small. Okay. So you can just change the lever if I want to, but I don't want to. It looks good with this red lever, you know, and the wire inside is also red, you know, so it fits somehow. So what do you say, guys?
I'm sorry I switched with you. I'm not the one you owe the apology to, although, you know, sort of I am. How are those statements coming? Oh, sorry. Hello, Kristen. What can you, make please? I understand. Okay, I don't know exactly the time as soon as I can. Okay.
I guess the
I'm
light.
only going to say this once.
The light.
About it under oath. I will probably
It's not 6,900.
Sometimes family takes priority. And it sounds like this is one of those times. Take it.
And there's no light or something like that, like indicator, you know, whereby if the battery is getting low or something, you know, nothing. This is not really that good. Nothing like that. But it's really cool. You can see everything inside, you know. And do you think it's better than my favorite Kemi 2010? I don't know. I don't know. You know, I never really like plastic. You know, I never really like plastic body. You know. And guys, I'm also searching for a new favorite clipper. You know, so if you know any good clipper, just write it under the comment. Then I will check it out. Okay. That's it for the unboxing, guys. Peace out.